Today's thought: when life gives you 100 reasons to break down and cry, show life that you have 1,000 reasons to smile and laugh. Stay strong, keep smile always. Now let's move on to the supplementary story, Zigzag, written by Asha Nehemiah. What is zigzag? I hope you students, you all will think this zigzag line now, isn't it? But the story is about a bad zigzag. This is the image of the bad zigzag. Now let's see the introduction of the author. She is Asha Nehemiah. She is the author of this supplementary story, Zigzag. Asha Nehemiah. She was born on 1958 in Chennai. She studied and worked 8 cities and small towns. She is alive now and she was in Bangalore. She was interested in writing and she loved reading. Her story is based on humor, fantasy, mystery, and adventure. Humor means comic stories, fantasy means imaginary stories, mystery means a thing that you can't understand or explain, and adventure. And she loved baking, walking, reading, and traveling. Now let's see the short summary of this story, Zigzag. This story is about a bird named Zigzag. It was Dr. Somu's pet bird. One day Dr. Somu left for Alaska. There was no one in his house to look after Zigzag. So he sent it to Dr. Krishnan's house. Krishnan is a friend of Dr. Somu. So Dr. Somu sent it to Dr. Krishnan's house. Through his old cook Visu, everybody in Dr. Krishnan's house were surprised to see that a strange bird. He was 1.5 feet tall. The bird Zigzag could talk and sing 21 languages. After coming to Dr. Krishnan's house, Zigzag did not speak a word. Aravind brought juicy fruits and nuts for Zigzag. Aravind is a son of Dr. Krishnan. Zigzag did not eat them. Instead, it picked them up and kept them on the enormous chandelier and on the blades of the ceiling fan. Chandelier means a grand light. See, the bird kept fruits on the blades of the fan. Then it sat on the curtain rod and started sleeping and snoring. The snore became louder. What is snoring? The sound which come after a sleep. Snoring meaning in Tamil கொரட்டை விடுறது. That is called snoring. So the snore become louder. Everybody feel terribly disturbed. When the fan was switched on, the fruit spoiled Mrs. Krishnan's painting. And it created a lot of misunderstanding in Dr. Krishnan's house. So Dr. Krishnan took Zigzag to the clinic. On reaching the clinic, the Zigzag started commanding the patients and helped to maintain calmness. It made the children laugh. It recited the French poem and the spoiled painting was sold for rupees 5,000. So the family decided to keep the bad Zigzag with them for another week. So the moral of the story is Don't judge a book by its cover.